I'm Fox with Charlie! Feels so fucking good to see the new shit rocking like the old shit, meaning I'm gonna be here for a long, long time, motherfucker. Let's go. Oh yeah. The more pussy I get, the younger I'll keep looking, you know what I'm saying? So keep the pussy coming, because pussy is the fountain of youth, if you didn't know. I'm sorry, it's true. The more you come, the younger you look. I get a lot of pussy and I still be jacking off in the bathroom like, oh shit. Before a bitch come over, nigga, so I can fuck longer, you know what I'm saying? Oh shit. TMI, motherfucker.
It's called firing a warning shot, man.
Oh shit. Your turn.
I'm having a good fucking time in Charlotte. Y'all getting fucked up in here tonight? Y'all drunk? Hold on, cause I don't see like one cup or one bottle. Are they even serving alcohol here tonight? Y'all drinking soda pop. Is that a can? What is that? Sprite, nigga? What is it? Oh, okay, this beer. That's like rolling. What the fuck is it called? Rolling Rock. Yeah, Rolling Rock.
Rolling Rock, nigga.
Rolling Rock. I'm not a beer drinker. I'm not a beer drinker. I'm not.
I know what rolling is. You know what I'm saying? I know what rolling is.
And niggas used to serve rock, so
Rolling Rocks. That'll be powerful.
Y'all get fucked up in here tonight or what? So listen, we want to slow it down. Can we slow it down just one time for y'all? Can I slow it down one time real quick? Motherfucker, I said, can I slow it down, goddammit? Well, fuck it, we're going to slow it down something like this.